Good morning, everyone. So Jing and I are just taking a walk around the neighborhood, getting some sun kasi parang nadidepress na kami dahil hindi na kami naglalakad sa umaga. Noong mga nakaraang araw, di ba, sobrang init. But today, it's super chilly. The weather is so nice. The sun is out, as you guys can see. Kaya nakapayong tayo. And then, this morning, dadaan lang kami sa supermarket to buy buko. Kasi parang feeling ko hindi ako natunawan since yesterday. Sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko. And then, we're also gonna get pandesal from Kuya Pip's Bakery. Hopefully, open sila. Kasi, Ramadan eh. Hi, Kuya. Happy Saturday. So, kanina umaga, pagkagising ko, nagluto ko ng binatog. Nagtry lang ako magluto ng binatog. Sobrang sarap niya. Pero, ang tagal niya palang lutuin. Like, almost mga 2 hours ko siyang pinapakuluan. But anyway, kanina I also received a package from Mavala. Alam niyo ba? Story time. So, Mavala is a nail care brand and I've been using a couple of their products for a very long time now. Favorite ko yung top coat nila because it gives you that gel-like finish. And then, I think first week of Feb or last week ng January, nagpa-giveaway sila. They were giving away itong si Mavala Scientific K+ Nail Hardener Pro Keratin. So, obviously, I joined kasi fan ako. And then, they announced the winners on February 15. And for the longest time, nobody has been contacting me. So, ako na yung nag-follow up to a point that I actually had to go to their like parang official distributor. And finally, after over a month, I received it. So, try natin kung okay itong Mavala. I did my nails earlier. nilagay ko tong mabala on the tips of my nails. So, tingnan natin kung mapiprevent niya talaga yung mga cracks. Kasi pag humahaba yung nails ko, nagkakaroon ako ng cracks dito sa may gilid. So, let's see. And then, we have another package that arrived today. Ito, hindi ko to alam kung ano to, actually. But, I have a feeling it's from, yes, it is from Boots nga, Pharmacy. I wasn't expecting this because usually bago sila magpadala, nag-i-email muna sila. Toner ba to or something? Oh. Oh, it's a body spray from Ted Baker in Peony and Camellia. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much, Boots. I love peonies. It's one of my favorite flowers. Tingnan natin. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ang bango. Very, very refreshing yung amoy niya. Parang kahit pagpawisan ka nito, fresh pa din yung amoy, ganun. Okay, that smells so good. So, that's our package for today. Anyway, today is a busy day, even though it's Saturday, because I am catching up on all my editing. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi muna ako magbablog until I finish all of the footages on my laptop. Kasi sobrang ang dami na ding files sa laptop ko. So anyway, let's get busy muna for today. I'm gonna go down and I'm just gonna put a little bit of foundation para ma-cover yung redness. Magcha-try lang kami sa baba pero nag-foundation pa ako, diba? But, you know, you have to do what it takes to make yourself feel good. If putting on makeup, even though maglalakad ka lang, tatakbo ka, you're just gonna have a cup of coffee, do that. Do whatever makes you happy as long as you're not hurting anybody. By the way, the foundation that I'm using is the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Birch. So, yung birch nila is for olive undertone. So, if you have an olive undertone like me, baka perfect sa inyo yung mga olive undertone shades ng Get Ready With Me. Ito, sobrang perfect na foundation match. As you guys can see, parang wala akong nilagay. Very, very natural pa din yung itsura niya. And na-cover niya din yung mga dark spots ko. So, it is 6:23 na. I think yung iftar is 6:38. So, sakto pagdating namin dun sa cafeteria, pwede na uminom tsaka kumain. And parang nakikrave ako ng shawarma. So, we might order some shawarma. I think yun na din yung dinner ko. So, let's go! Good afternoon, everyone. So finally, kakatapos lang namin kumain and I get to do my skincare. I'm just gonna wash my face and I don't know if kita sa camera, but can you guys see? Namamaga yung mata ko. I have a sty. So anyway, I'm gonna wash your face now. So because I have acne-prone and sensitive skin, ito yung ginagamit kong cleanser in the morning. This is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. Sobrang gentle. This is probably the most gentle facial wash na na-try ko. This is great if you have super duper reactive skin, if you have acne-prone skin. Ano to eh? It's non-comedogenic. No perfume, wala talaga siyang amoy. No soap, no alcohol, no mineral oils. It's suitable for all skin types, especially if you have sensitive skin, and it's also vegan. So sabi dito, it has vitamin B5 and vitamin E and pro amino acids. So, ayan. I just wanna show you guys, sobrang nag-improve na yung skin ko. From last time, wala na akong any active acne at all. So, lahat ng yan, PIH na lang. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Ito, nanggaling to from my period. I just had my period. So, umappear lang siya ganyan, but it's not painful. So, my morning routine has changed. Yung ginagamit ko in the morning, ito ng rose water with a few drops of glycerin oil. So, if you have medium skin tone like mine, yung skin tone ko is parang light medium, and you experience redness and dark spots and PIH like me, rose water is a great toner alternative that you can use. And you can get rose water from any supermarket. Just get the food grade one. So, ito yung mix ko is, this is 100 ml of rose water. Tapos, nilagyan ko lang siya ng mga 8 to 10 drops. It really depends how dewy you want your skin to be. So, ako parang mga 10 drops yung nilagay ko dito because I also have dehydrated skin. Na-try ko na to before and it actually really worked. Nag-stop lang ako because I had other toners in my skincare pa. So, inubos ko muna yun. Tapos before, my skin used to have this weird aversion with rose water. Every time na ginagamit ko siya, kasi lagi nilang sinasabi na, oh, it's good if you have acne-prone skin or sensitive skin and redness. Pero dati pag ginagamit ko siya, alam mo yung nagkakaroon ako ng mga small bumps on my face. So, I thought I was allergic to it. But it turns out, yung rose water, it acts more like an antibacterial. So, every time I spray it, nilalabas niya lahat ng mga impurities sa face. So, kaya lumalabas yung mga maliliit na bumps. So, one time, I decided to give it another go and then nilagyan ko siya ng konting drops of glycerin. The glycerin will help your skin absorb all the other products that you're using on your skin. Tapos, at first, I did get those small bumps on my skin. But with continued use, bigla siyang nawala. And then, eventually, it just disappeared and it actually made my skin better. So, if you're on a budget and you're looking for, you know, a toner for your skin, rose water with glycerin is a good option. Okay, for serum, I'm using the Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. Nagamit ko na din to before. Effective din naman siya, but it does take time for you to see the results. And finally, sunscreen. I'm using the Jamiso Osan Airy Fit Sunscreen. Yan. If you have super duper oily skin, sa morning, you don't need to use a moisturizer when you're using this sunscreen kasi grabe siya maka-moisturize. Morning! Today is the first day of Eid. Actually, kagabi hindi kami nakatulog kasi I had 2 cups of coffee yesterday. Tapos, nung kinagabihan, I had a cup of tea pa or chai sa labas. Pati si Jing. So, Di kami nakatulog buong gabi. And then we thought of just, you know, going down para maglakad. And since we're in the neighborhood, we are on our way to Sharjah City Center. Malapit lang kasi. We might have breakfast there. Sa Carrefour Bakery, dito, specifically sa Sharjah City Center na Carrefour, meron silang binibenta na batboot na bread. Sobrang sarap niya talaga. Pero alam niyo, sa ibang branch, hindi siya available. Nag-check na kami sa DFC branch at saka DCC na Carrefour. Wala. Dito lang talaga sa Carrefour, dito sa Sharjah City Center. Eh, ilang weeks na kami nag-crave. Hindi lang kami makapunta kasi we want to eat it fresh. Kasi pag bagong luto, sobrang sarap. Eh, diba, etong last entire month was Ramadan. So, we're here at the bakery section of Carrefour, but the batboot bread is not yet available. It'll take 3 more hours before they actually serve it. So we're feeling kind of sad because we were looking forward to it, because the last time we had it here, we had it for breakfast. And we love having breakfast food here at Carrefour. Sometimes we just buy bread and some cheese at the cheese area and then have it at the food court. Guys, since magsa-summer na, 30 dirhams lang Sanford rechargeable na clip fan. Ang ganda niya, ang lakas niya, tapos ano pa, hindi siya maingay. Baka interested kayo. Char. Nag-online selling. Ayan siya, may 3 speed control, high, medium, tsaka normal. Rechargeable. Tara, dali. Sakit.
Matigas kasi magandang.
Wala bang iba? Kubaba lang.
Matigas. Kailangan bukasin ng hangin.
Hindi ko na kaya. Sakit. Sakit? Super sakit talaga. I'm not made for volleyball talaga. Ilang ano lang yan ah. Ilang serve pa lang. Namula na. In her volleyball era. Oo nga, no. Bakit parang ang lambot pag ikaw yung gumagawa? Malambot siya talaga. Gusto ko tinitry. Hindi. 10. Ay, sayang. 9 lang yun. Isa pa. Kaya mo yan. O, kaya mo yan. Go. 1, 2, 3. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ah! Okay, kung mahilig kayo maglaro ng volleyball pero masakit, ito, malambot.
Okay, ito yung Beach Classic.
Beach Classic.
Pero para sa akin, it's still a bit softer.
But I prefer it. Kasi I enjoy playing volleyball. Pero, kailangan, medyo malambot yung bola. Kasi, kapag yung matigas, ang sakit talaga. Tara. On to another aisle. So, we ended up here at McDonald's. Kasi 3 hours pa daw yung batboot na bread. Dapat ano na lang, ginagawa na lang nila yun na regular breakfast items sa bakery. Pero yung mga readily available nila na bread, yung mga roti, manakis. Anyway, na-miss namin McDo. McDonald's na lang for breakfast.
Smoothest stones, sitting with the river's bones, glimmer with the white of passing light in this unknown. And sprouting seeds, pushing through the forest green, making up their way, and day by day they'll turn to trees. Winter falls just as spring to summer's call. And we do that, we're just human after all. Sun or snow, all the life it seems to know. And all we have is just part of how it goes, how it goes. This I know. Little birds jumping out the nest to learn you're never gonna fly, but staying high, and this I know. And timid stars waiting for the after hours, painting with the light, showing every night, this I know.